The countdown for the return of cheetah, the fastest land animal, has begun, and the animal is all set to make a re-entry in the country's forests after 70 years on September 17th. The animal's growl will once again echo in the forests across the country, barring the high mountains and the coasts. Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav announced on Sunday that more than 25 cheetahs will be brought to Madhya Pradesh's Kuno Palpur National Park from Namibia and South Africa in a phased manner in the future. Initially, 8 cheetahs will arrive at the KNP on September 17th, the Minister for Environment, Forests and Climate Change said. Initially, 8 cheetahs are coming to Kuno Palpur from Namibia, which will be released by the Prime Minister, Yadav said. All the preparations are in place to welcome the cheetah once again in the country. Yadav, along with MP Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar, took stock of the preparations for the event to be held on September 17th, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will release the cheetahs into specially built enclosures at the KNP in Shiopur district. Meanwhile, Chauhan announced that the villages located in the KNP from where people were shifted would be given the status of revenue villages. Chauhan also hailed the reintroduction of cheetah into the forests of India from another continent as the biggest event in wildlife history of this century. Cheetahs, which became extinct not only from India but also from Asia, will now be resettled. The animals would be released into 2 enclosures by PM Modi and Shivraj Singh Chauhan and would be quarantined for some time, post which they would be released in big enclosures. Meanwhile, talking to the reporters in Bhopal, State Congress Chief Kamal Nath took a swipe at the event being organized on September 17th and said that according to last year's report, Shiopur was the district with the highest malnutrition in the state. About 21,000 malnourished and 5,000 severely malnourished children were found in the district, he said, adding that Shiopur also leads in the nutritious food scam. The former Chief Minister said that instead of addressing the issue of malnutrition, PM Modi and Chauhan are holding an event there. The loss of cheetahs from India is attributed to myriad reasons, including large-scale capture of animals for coursing, bounty and sport hunting, extensive habitat conversion, and a resultant shrinking of the prey base.